want to talk about is the strength of the hinges and the way that the hinges work and all the different things that you can do with these hinges. So basically it's a spike, and this spike, it fits down into the underlying spike. So what you do, lay them on top, push your spike in, then you can go ahead and put on another hinge. And what this can do though, so this hinge can rotate all the way around. It's not quite 360, but it's pretty close. Just to kind of give you an idea of how easy it is to like add another layer, you just put our spike in right there. We'll put our spike in right there, and then you would just set your lat right in between them. Little screws go in right there, and then you would have another hinge going out this way, like so. After you get it fastened in, you just put your little cap on the top, and that seals it up. And it's really incredibly genius the way that it all interlocks and actually functions as one unit. So what you get, the hinges are attached to the boards, and the boards interlock with each other, and so you have one functioning system here, and you get incredible durability out of that. And that's important, just your regular everyday abuse when you're pulling plants out, or you get a heavy rainfall and you put hundreds more pressure on the inside of this bed expanding out. It's important that your weakest link is not your joint. And it also just kind of gives it a cleaned off look. And that's all there is to it.